Hey babes, it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my wash day routine. This is the oil that I'm going to be using, the Max Beauty oil. So before I shampoo my hair, I part my hair into multiple sections and take a fine tooth comb to remove any flakes and buildup that I have in my hair. And then I go in with the oil. I like to use this oil to help my hair grow faster and for my scalp because I have dandruff, and this is like a hot oil treatment, but I don't need to leave it on for a long time. So I would say max like 10 minutes, and then I go in with the shampoo and deep condition, and then I will be right back. Hey babes, welcome back. So I'm gonna get right into styling my hair. The top is frizzing up already. Let me add a little bit of water to the top part. Going you ran out. It's okay. All right, so I have been using the Cantu Natural Hair Curl Cream. That's what it looks like. I do not take a lot of this because it ends up flaking. So just a little bit. Now for gel and for my curls to hold out throughout the day, this is what I am using, the Wetline Extreme Gel. I am actually going to divide my hair into two sections.
Alright, so I'm just going to divide my hair into two and apply enough gel till my frizz goes away. And I'm finger combing as I am doing that.
I am going to lightly scrunch the ends of my hair. I think I'm going to do a middle part today. Yeah, so what I do is I just scrunch where the damage is. Do you guys see the difference? I'm gonna grab my diffuser. Guys, the blow dryer that I'm using / diffuser, I really love. It's actually not mine, it's my sister's. I haven't returned it because I really love it. I don't want to give it back, and she doesn't really wear her hair curly like that, so I'm hoping she just lets me keep it. But yeah, it doesn't make that much noise, and I just love this thing. I don't know if this blow dryer came with this attachment though. Anyways, I came back to tell you guys that I am gonna take little sections and diffuse a little bit just on the tips of my hair, and I'll be right back. Hey babes, I'm done diffusing my hair. I don't know what happened here, but it's looking like a triangle up there. Not feeling it, but I think we can fix it. Something new that I've been doing to take out the crunchiness from the top of my head. So I take my hair, like if I'm gonna put it in a ponytail, and I go like this. So I smooth that, I smooth this, I go like this. I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I will see you guys in my next video. That's it. Bye, my loves. Happy New Year.